How's it going, YouTube? So today we're not in our normal spot, and this is on the property that I recently bought, that pink house you guys have seen in the background. Well, this is what it looks like inside of that house.
I mean, honestly, we shouldn't even be airing this because this is YouTube, and you know, now everyone's gonna know where we cook our.
Yeah. No, we've called this our crack house before, our meth house, and it's just because it's so decrepit. It came like this when I bought the property, so I've known it needs to come down. You know, you see like the floor's caving in there. There's holes all the way up through the ceiling there. There's a big hole through the ceiling back there.
Fun fact, it used to be an Airstream, which means if they kept it in one piece, it would have been 15 times more valuable than it is now.
I mean, currently the value is literally negative on this building. I actually took some price off of the property when I bought this building due to having to tear this down. And I've owned the property since November. But as Jarret said, here's like the back of the Airstream, and if you look up here through the center, it's the front. So we're literally just going to...
You want a free couch?
Yeah, free couch. You do not want anything that's been in this house.
Actually, one of the hilarious things. Oh yeah, that's right. Did you tell them about the
no
adult material?
Yeah, there was a whole duffel bag of adult materials, some old PB mags, and some other toys.
Oh, which he still has. He hasn't thrown them away yet.
They've been sitting in my computer room because I wanted to put them in Jarret's bed one night.
Computer.
I wanted to put him in Jarret's bed one night, but I'm kind of concerned about how he's going to react to that.
You don't want to know the disgusting things I will do for revenge if you do that.
And that's why I know he doesn't have a filter. He's not going to stop, so we're not going to do it. But for now, I mean, pretty much we have 1, 2, and 3 wood stoves. That's all we're getting out of the house. And then from there, we're going to start tearing the house down, maybe seeing if some of the wood in the walls is salvageable for use on the side of the dump trailer, or the dump truck, because it's still a lower side than we want it to be. And then also, if there's a lot of good, like 2x4s, 2x8s, 2x6s, all that stuff, well, it might keep them to the side for use on my trailer if they're in good condition. My 20-foot that I need to do a deck on.
This is a wood stove?
I thought it was a wood stove. It has a chimney coming out the top. But, yeah, other than that, wood in the walls, the metal roof, it's going to get bent up, taking it out, but that's kind of what we're looking at. Enjoy, and we'll let you know what happens. We're going to get these wood stoves out, and then you'll get to see Jarret run through some stuff with a skid steer. So real quick, rather than taking these wood stoves out the front door, there's a big window behind the couch. Jarret's going to push through that wall with the skid steer. Hopefully the roof doesn't fall. Because there's windows there, we assume it's supported around. We're just going to knock out where the window is and hopefully just load them into the skid steer bucket from there, and then we'll take it. So let us know how this goes and how it looks from the inside, because I'm not standing in here while he's pushing that through a wall in anywhere. I don't trust this house. Okay. tilt down at all? Keep going. Keep going. Just push it. Yep, there you go. There you go. Anything else? That's good for now, I think. Thought I had a rack in my shoe, but nope. Little nail. Probably want to get the...
Aluminum outside.
Is it?
Yep.
You sure that's not just the,
No, that is...
Well, we're gonna take you guys out of the house now. But we got... okay, there we go. We got 2 of the 3 loaded up. This third one, I don't know about the condition of it, so we're just literally gonna drop the house. As we're coming through with the skid steer, we'll dig it out, throw it in our metal reso. We don't know what we're doing with it yet pile. But this one's definitely not usable as a wood stove. This one I haven't looked at enough. But yeah. So if you just want to take these, goddamn. Oh.
The taste.
Oh, it's like mold and not good taste. I'm gonna get out of the house.
Like we should be wearing something.
Yeah, we should definitely be wearing respirators, but okay. Well, we'll let you know what happens. I'm gonna try and air out the house some, because man, it's a lot of glass, not my hand. So we've made a lot of progress and also had a fair amount of setbacks since starting. We got a lot of this tore apart, and down there behind the Trailblazer, way in the back across the road, you can see our 1968 GMC dump truck. And while we loaded that all up with stuff, packed it plumb full, started driving it and realized we have a misfire on at least 2 cylinders, it feels like. I'm really hoping it's something maybe with this, I don't know. But anyways, we got the front tore back to the building pretty much. We got it piled there. And at this point, we have a 17-yard dumpster, one of the roll-off kinds coming. And the plan is to literally just move our big piles of trash up into there. On the back side, we still have a good bit. We also found out, we had thought this was a Airstream. It's not. It's something else, which Jarret will share later because I don't remember. And he was looking it up and said it's more rare. One of them in really crap condition just sold for 65 grand. So I mean, not that I think this one's worth anything, but I mean, if I can get $100 or $200, because yeah, there's a lot of aluminum on it, but there's a lot of work to recycle that aluminum, because I'm gonna have to pull all the all the wood and crap. But anyways, that's our quick update. We'll check back in with you probably when we have the rollback here with us. And we're just continuing to chug on through. We got Jarret here loading up the dumpster that was dropped off with us. And we got Jarret trying to run me over with the dumpster. So we're back here a couple days later, and this is what we are left with. I mean, I know it doesn't look much better, but at least it's not a bright pink house, I guess. I mean, I guess that's the way we're looking at it.
I mean, homeless crackheads could still live there, but it'd be a lot easier to run them out, like a Molotov cocktail.
Be a very desperate situation for them. But no, so we got a lot of it done. We got like 8,000 pounds of trash out because there's a little over 4 tons in the dumpster. So, but yeah, I mean, that's kind of where we are. And we're debating our next moves as far as how to do this. And we're kind of thinking we're going to maybe use some water from the neighbor's property and try to burn it. But we'll see what happens. So anyways, that's a wrap for this video. And at least we're getting a step closer, even if it doesn't really look it yet. So as always, thanks for tuning in and have a good one.